Czinger 21C. The Czinger 21C is a revolutionary hypercar that represents the future of automotive design and engineering. Developed by the American startup Czinger Vehicles, the 21C combines cutting-edge technology, sustainable manufacturing processes, and extreme performance to create a truly unique driving experience. With its innovative hybrid powertrain and advanced aerodynamics, the 21st century stands out as a symbol of next-generation hypercar engineering. Comfort. Despite its focus on performance, the Czinger 21C offers a surprisingly comfortable and driver-focused interior. The cabin features a tandem seating arrangement, with the driver's seat positioned centrally and the passenger seat directly behind, reminiscent of a jet fighter. This layout not only enhances the driving experience, but also optimizes weight distribution. High-quality materials like carbon fiber, alcantara, and leather are used throughout the interior, providing a premium feel. The seats are ergonomically designed to offer excellent support during high-speed driving while maintaining comfort for longer trips. The minimalist design ensures that the driver's focus remains on the road, with essential controls easily accessible. Design: the Czinger 21C's design is a striking blend of futuristic aesthetics and functional engineering. The car's body is characterized by flowing, organic lines that are both visually stunning and aerodynamically efficient. Every element of the 21st century's exterior is crafted with performance in mind, from the aggressive front splitter and sculpted side intakes to the large rear wing and diffuser. The car's structure is created using an innovative 3D printing process that allows for complex geometries and lightweight construction. This advanced manufacturing technique not only reduces weight, but also enhances the car's structural integrity, contributing to its overall performance. Technology. At the heart of the Czinger 21C is a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 2.88-liter V8 engine with two high-output electric motors. This setup delivers a total of 1,250 horsepower, making the 21C one of the most powerful hypercars on the market. The hybrid system allows for instantaneous torque delivery, providing blistering acceleration and impressive efficiency. The car also features advanced aerodynamics with active elements that adjust in real time to optimize downforce and reduce drag, depending on driving conditions. Inside, the 21st century is equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a high-tech infotainment system, offering modern connectivity features while keeping the focus on performance. Performance. The Czinger 21C's performance is nothing short of extraordinary. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds, thanks to its powerful hybrid powertrain and lightweight construction. The V8 engine, coupled with the electric motors, delivers a top speed of over 432 kilometers per hour, making the 21C one of the fastest production cars in the world. The car's advanced suspension and braking systems, combined with its active aerodynamics, ensure that it handles with precision and confidence, whether on the track or the open road. The 21st century also offers a pure electric mode for short-distance driving, adding an element of versatility to its extreme performance capabilities. Conclusion. The Czinger 21C is a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design and performance. With its innovative hybrid powertrain, advanced manufacturing techniques, and stunning design, the 21st century offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and forward-thinking. As a limited production vehicle, the 21C not only showcases Czinger's engineering prowess, but also sets a new standard for the future of hypercars, blending extreme performance with cutting-edge technology and sustainability.